sa nagsasali because it is the time na makakasalaman nila, makakalaro nila ang professional ng Davao. Even from Jensen, dumadayo na dito nag-enjoy na sila.
Maganda rin ang preparation for professional golfers na may mga competitions na for national, international competitions.
Yes.
Maganda rin ang preparation nila.
Yes, yung mga professionals natin dito participate sa the national professional tournament. Nagpa-practice sa Palos ng more of South Pacific. Pero pag yung golf course na sasalihan nila is Baliang Fairway would be Carabao grass or the regular Manila grass. Doon sila sa Apo at nagpa-practice.
Wala ka sila uminom, no? Okay, any more questions for our panel of guests? Wala ko tayong tanong. So that will be April 27 at the Pro-Am Tournament. And of course, March 15 and 16, Pro-Am at the South Pacific. And February 8 for the second AIM Friendship Golf Tournament. And more questions for our panel?
Okay,
Gusto ka naman, sir?